I feel it coming out my throat. Guess I better wash my mouth out with soap. God, I wish I never spoke. Now I gotta...
Hey everyone, it is your girl Angel, and for today's video, it is gonna be this soft, peachy kind of look. And I made sure to use all affordable products. Lahat ng products na to makikita nyo sa leading department stores or sa Watsons. Some of them you can even find at 7-Eleven. I made this video because I know that you guys are students like me and also on a budget like me. So if you are, or maybe if you're not, you will still love these products anyway, so keep on watching. So for my eyebrows, I'll be using this Etude House's Drawing Eyebrow Pencil. To be honest, this is not the eyebrow shade that is right for my eyebrows, just because I changed my hair color into somewhat a little bit reddish. My eyebrows are all over the place kasi bukas pa ako magpapaayos ng eyebrows. So what do you guys think? Should I go for the straight eyebrow look that I always go for, or maybe just follow my natural eyebrow shape? I don't really know. I'm torn in between. After that, I will be using this pimple concealer from Nichido. Available siya sa supermarket. Sa supermarket ko lang ito nakuha. And I use this not for concealing pimples. So I'm just cleaning up the edges with that pimple concealer. The reason why I like this is because it is lightweight and also it doesn't have that much of a coverage. Okay na siya pang erase ng edges ng eyebrows. For my face, I will be using this BB Holic Everyday BB Cream, and sample lang na light yung available sa 7-Eleven. Kaya yun yung una kong trinay. Pero masyado siyang light sa akin. Pero kahit na gano'n, nagustuhan ko pa rin siya. So, hinunting ko talaga yung beige na color, and sa Watsons ko to nakita. So, I like using this BB cream with a cushion foundation sponge. This is the darkest color, but it's still a little bit white for me. But for sure, if you're whiter than me, this will be a very nice foundation for you. Ayan o, medyo maputi siya sa akin, pero I can work with it kasi we will bronze up a little bit later on. I like this because it is lightweight, so I use this every single day. I use this for school, in church, I need to go to the grocery store. Basically, I use it everywhere and every day, so gusto ko siya. For 159 pesos, it is worth it. And for my concealer, I'm gonna be using this Fit Me Concealer from Maybelline. And I bought this for 199 pesos. Tuwing nagsisale siya, saka ko lang siya binibili. I never buy it nang hindi siya sale. So, tinitipid ko talaga siya. Hindi lang ako maglagay ng concealer on a daily basis because I like it if my skin is still peeking through. Tapos, pang set naman ng face, I will be using this Maybelline Clear Smooth All-in-One with SPF 32 PA+++. And alam nyo ba, dati binibili ko to, it is only 99 pesos, but now it is 100 plus. Pero I think worth it naman pa rin siya kasi it is a foundation. So ginagawa ko lang, I just put the powder under my eyes to set my concealer, and then a little bit on my forehead. Pero onti lang, hindi ako masyadong mahilig mag-powder. If you guys are on a budget, definitely check this out. It is available sa supermarkets, it is available sa Watsons. Madali siyang mahanap, and it is really small and compact. I always go for this one. For my eyes, ito na yung peachy kind of look. Ang lagi ko lang ginagamit is this Bilena cheek blush in the shade Honest, and it is a peachy kind of color. I don't know why it's coming off a little bit pink sa camera, pero peach siya. I'm just using very light strokes kasi this is very pigmented. Then, I'm gonna use a different brush to pack in the color. share with you guys. This used to be my go-to palette. And 100 pesos lang to. Tapos sa 100 na yon, may kasama pa siya na eyeliner. Bago to, so hindi ko muna siya gagamitin. Kasi I have this one which is really overused. Tapos sira na siya. Natanggal na yung takip niya. This one is also a cheek color. But I'm gonna use that to deepen the outer V. I'm gonna be using this Nichido eyeliner. This is only 80 pesos and matagal ko na itong ginagamit. I found this when I was in high school. Hindi siya waterproof, yun lang. Pero if you're just going somewhere for like 2 hours or so and alam mo namang wala ka namang gagawin masyado na mag-watery yung eyes mo, then just go for this. In school, I used this one. My mascara, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Hypercurl. This is 149 pesos. Moving on to the face, I will be using this Bilena Honest Cheek Blush, yung ginamit ko kanina sa eyes. You can find it at 7-Eleven, Watson's, the department store. So basically, it's everywhere. Hindi siya mahirap hanapin and affordable siya. I'm also bringing the blush up to my nose. So now, since my face is looking a little bit flat and too pale, I'm going to contour with this Bilena blush duo in the shade Baked Fig. And I'm also going to use that same contour powder for my nose. This is from Maybelline. It's in the shade Nude Embrace and also in Clay Crush. I'll go with the Nude Embrace first because I'm gonna place it at the outer corners of my lips. Oh, I have a lip balm sa lips ko before I place that. So if you want to go for a very comfortable lippy, then maybe you can go for a lip balm like this one, and it's Nivea's Peach Shine. This is only 80 or 85 pesos. For now, I'm going to be using the Nude Embrace like this one together with Clay Crush, and this is my go-to. Kind of trying to make a soft, peachy kind of look. So yes, there you go. So yeah, there you have it, guys. This is my soft, peachy kind of makeup look. And of course, I used all affordable products for this one because I know that you guys are students like me or on a budget like me. So yeah, if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and you can subscribe to my channel. And also leave me a comment full of love. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
God, I wish I never spoke. Now I gotta wash my mouth out with soap. I feel it coming out my throat. Guess I better wash my mouth out with soap.
I don't know about you guys, but I'm the kind of girl who doesn't wear earrings on a daily, but when I do, pack. Pack na pack.